Oh no. Oh no, no, no.
What happened?
My alarm didn't go off.
What time is it?
8:45. I had a meeting at 8:30.
That's not good.
My phone was on silent all night.
How did that happen?
I must have touched it by accident.
Well, get up, hurry.
This is the worst start to a Monday.
It can only get better from here.
I really hope so. Careful, careful.
I'm sorry, I didn't see you.
My shirt is completely soaked.
That's coffee, right? Not water?
Yes, coffee, hot coffee.
Oh no, are you burned?
No, just wet and angry.
I have napkins. Here.
Thanks, but this shirt is ruined.
Do you have time to change?
I'm already late, no time.
I'm really sorry about this.
It's okay, accidents happen.
Excuse me, is this the bus to downtown?
Yes, but it just left.
It just left? I was 2 minutes early.
The driver was early today.
That's never happened before.
When is the next one?
25 minutes, according to the app.
That's a long wait.
I have a job interview in 30 minutes.
You should call a taxi.
You're right, I can't be late for this.
Good luck with your interview.
Thank you, I'll need it.
Hi, I'm here for my 9 a.m. meeting.
What's your name, sir?
Mark Davidson from Whitmore Logistics.
I don't see you on today's list.
That's strange. I confirmed yesterday.
Which company are you meeting?
Brightpath Solutions.
Oh, this is Brightpath Tower 2.
Tower 2? Where's Tower 1?
Across the street, blue building.
I'm already 20 minutes late.
It's a 2-minute walk. Hurry.
Thank you. I'm so sorry for the confusion.
Please sit down. You're a bit late.
I'm so sorry. My bus never came.
I understand. Let's begin anyway.
Thank you for waiting for me.
Tell me about your experience.
I worked in marketing for 3 years.
What was your biggest achievement?
I led a campaign that doubled our sales.
Impressive. Why do you want this job?
I love your company's values and mission.
We'll contact you by Friday.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Why is the printer not working?
It's been broken since this morning.
I need these papers for my meeting.
IT is looking at it now.
My meeting starts in 5 minutes.
Can you show the papers on your laptop?
Good idea. Let me check the file.
Is it saved on your computer?
No, it's only on my email. Let me open it.
The Wi-Fi seems slow today too.
Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be?
Today is just one of those days.
No, 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 not a parking ticket.
Ma'am, this is a no parking zone.
I didn't see the sign. I'm so sorry.
The sign is right there on the pole.
It's covered by tree branches.
I see what you mean. That's unfortunate.
Can you remove the ticket, please?
I can write a note about the branches.
That would help so much. Thank you.
I'll also report it to the city.
I appreciate that. What a day I'm having.
I hope the rest of your day improves.
Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered.
What did you order, sir?
A chicken sandwich, no onions.
This is the chicken sandwich.
But it has onions all over it.
Let me check the order again.
The ticket says no onions right here.
You're right. The kitchen made a mistake.
It's fine. Can you just remove them?
I'll make you a fresh sandwich, no charge.
That's very kind. Thank you.
I'm sorry for the trouble, sir. No, please don't die now.
What's wrong?
My phone just turned off. 1%.
Do you have a charger?
I forgot mine at home this morning.
I have one, but it's a different cable.
Of course it is. Nothing is easy today.
There's a charging station in the lobby.
A public one? That could work.
It's free and it's fast.
I really need to message my interviewer.
Let's go. I'll show you where it is. Why won't this door open?
Sir, you need a key card for this floor.
I have a key card. Here.
This card is for floor 3, not floor 5.
I work on floor 5. I just got promoted.
Did you update your card with HR?
I completely forgot to do that.
HR is on floor 2. I can call them.
Please, I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
They're sending someone down now.
Thank you. This day just keeps testing me.
Mondays do that sometimes.
Of course it's raining. Of course.
Do you need to share my umbrella?
Oh, that's so kind. Are you sure?
It's big enough for 2. Come on.
Thank you. I didn't check the weather today.
Neither did half the city, it seems.
Is your office far from here?
Just around the corner. Where are you headed?
The Bright Path building, 2 blocks away.
I'll walk you there. It's on my way.
You're saving my whole outfit. Thank you.
Happy to help. Mondays are hard enough. Mark, you look exhausted. Rough day?
You have no idea. Wrong building, no printer, locked door.
I heard about the printer. I'm sorry.
It's fine. I'm just glad I made it here.
Well, good news. The client loved your proposal.
Really? After everything today?
They want to sign the contract this week.
That's the best news I've heard all day.
Go home early. You've earned it.
Thank you. I might actually take a nap first.
Get some rest. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow has to be better than today.
I'm home. What a day.
You think your day was bad?
I missed my meeting room, broke a printer practically, got locked out.
I missed my bus, got a parking ticket. My phone died.
Wait, you had a job interview today, right?
Yes, and I almost didn't make it.
Did you get the job?
They said they'll call by Friday.
I have a good feeling about it.
I hope so. I really need good news.
We both survived the worst Monday ever.
And we're laughing about it now.
That's the only way to end a day like this.
To better Tuesdays.
To better Tuesdays.
My phone is ringing. It's an unknown number.
Answer it. It could be the job.
Hello? Yes, this is Emma.
What are they saying?
They're offering me the position.
I knew it. Congratulations.
I can't believe it. After yesterday. Of all days.
Maybe yesterday was just clearing the way for today.
Monday really did try to break us.
But Monday failed.
Monday failed completely.
Let's celebrate tonight. You deserve it.
I really, really do.